not all hub assemblies are identical. Some are different. As you see on the 97 Dodge Ram, you got 3 of those bolts right there. They have a star key. It's a 12-point socket. There are 3 of them. One there, one up top of the ball joint, one below, and then there's one on the other side. There's 3 of them. You have to take them off. Once you get the castle nut separated, it's easier with the truck on the ground, like so. Don't lift the truck up in the air. You got to have your brake pedal pressed, which an easy way to do that, I will show you my way. I took a 2x4, stuck it up against the brake pad. Stick it in the brake pedal, take your seat, push it all the way back. Set the 2x4 in there. Sit up on the seat, press the pedal down as far as you can. Wedge that 2x4 and slide your seat forward as far as you can. Them brakes are locked, that tire will not turn. Once you get those 3 bolts out, you will loosen them while the truck's on the ground. It'll make it a little bit easier. Not a whole lot, but don't loosen them too much. Just break them to where they can actually start turning when you need to. Get the truck up in the air. You're going to have to remove your brake pads, your caliper, and your rotor to pull your hub assembly. You will remove all of it. I still have the propane tank sitting there, slowly heating it up. It takes a long time doing it this way. I do not have a acetylene torch. I was supposed to have one, but they never brought it over. Unfortunately, I'm running out of time to get this taken care of. I cannot drive the truck with this kind of issue, only because I don't trust it and it's unsafe. So make sure you get that castle nut hot. The hotter, the better.